kwa tene wati ndane saa bane mutongo TV ngwatene ya mukamba nyenita wa Steven Mwema na ni saa siya vilingi wa mauwa mwendone wa saa mwanza ngwa manethi maundu meke wadhokani waona tuambisi na mauwa mao teti amuma mweke kuma kima sub-county ne ya mwea county ne ya Embu measia ni kwende ya kutoi wateti wa mwaniko na ni uwanze tia maendeyo kisio niki na kanama kwa tambau atongo alamebo maendeyo ni maukwate na amuika maendeyo itina wa umbano wa kuthima maendeyo measia kana kusanesio ila siedhitwe kati wa atongoi nisio itumite kisio kiketethewa na maendeyo na yu ni meyumeche kuikithia kana muo ni wethewa na maendeyo ni makwatikana
tuinene obo wa utongoi wa makima and na Bere South in general itutierwe netina muno ki maendeyo itutierwe netina nundu wa siasa itebalasie beno jonto ile sensi nundu siasa imwe sithazi cio bwanithia andu na ila andu mambio gita ene kwa ene imaendeyo makwata no mpaka twitikire reality na ndio munthio maisha mo munthio muno mendo focus na kisomo maneno tamtano matumine andu makima no mpaka tukwatane pamwe tuzizie maendeyo na tuiza kwa mutongo iwe na bata na maendeyo mambe ni kisomo twabara ambe zindu cia siasa cia miunda nthi na tuitikira kusoma niguo netha kuwe azi maitu miunda izu matida mokitire tukamauya through kisomo
twa nene ya kuhusu maendeleo mama kema balama bikete na tuona progress ya maendeleo mama kema na
kitumi kila kitumia toyoka bandoni bau ni kwika resolving tone how has been development been happening in our Bere sub-county and actually entire Bere South na twa resolve ni tuona ya kwamba there is a lot of development yende teneza muno na nito gitumi twaisie nitukuka tukwatane kuoko na nikenda tutone kwikala na serikali ila yiko na nikenda maendeleo na kwikika na zaidi tutone kwithi watu na utongo imusio utongo yula tukuona atikana nunkutu twa nthini wa maendeleo la tukwenda
tusanga nambe maskulu ni makulwa masobesiane bindani yesiende kusioka maskulu ni itina wadhio mwamukube bala alimu makulwa maikethe maituma siana musikumana na fees kwa kwetha asi maibambe sa ona siatu mwamisi wetana mwene bishop wa makanisa ma Full Gospel wangewa mwingi na yata Bishop Samuel Bilikathita ula inena na kisese kicha motongo TV wakuli asei matuwa siana sio ndini wa skulu ila sieba kube na mo kwa kwethe wa alimu ndemeno tuika kusomethia ciana kwanzia ila elite
kwetha yusiana ni ciumie minditamu na ciacioka maskulu na ni ciumie muciaine ciacioka mwalimuni nienda kwacia maskulu namo ciana ci mokoni menyu icuvite tondu muciaie icuvite ibinda yuyu yonthe ni kana wicoethia kila kiatumie muciaie twakana kau skulu ni kisomo wizethia nikasomethua na ethano muciai yote na bina nikwetha serikali nikwikala yitungelila kana nithivite visi na nisu nikwatie kana tafadhali alimu na nzama cia sukulu report isu mwelite kunenga serikali nundu yu serikali niyo muciai wa kana mwelite kwa ciana o anyhow tondu muciai muciai webinda yikwana na ndeto ila tukwigwa ni serikali kwa ukana kaikakuwe kaikana ngiwa maisha mako omana serikali yeyumbanetie kuiba mbesa na ila ketho ake mucimbesa ila ketho ake mucicitungawa kwa ukailito kumigwa kakasoma nundu serikali keso kuiba mbesa isu kana muciai keso kuiba mbesa isu na yu ni aibu muno muciai kuiba mbesa cia kana cia kisomo kana kake katasoma kwa unikula cio kwanda ya wicoethia ngalikoni ciana ni ciacuviwa ciana imwe ni nini muno otondu nila kuwete binda yingi iciendie grade 10 na ila ingi ciethwa license skulu ciathima skulu angi wau nienda kuweta otondu nawetie na cia ciana sieke kutwao kuasa muno na cia ikisomo nicho chailo vindwa nundu maskulu meku makweana ukezethia andu ni mathengeua mibango ela ikisomoni yaetwe bakuve na kana na yaetwe bakubi na mwalimu ne kana ciana ciake na wizaethe acikai kakatwa kundu kwasa kwezoethe onela ke wakenu kaisike nukilaba nundu ni kana kanini na kayathi nza ingi koguo nducu ni ngwacia utone ona mwaciai maeko kwitikila kutwa ciana kwasa matieto skulu go baba kube alimu acio onthe mama neiguo kisomo kimwe na kila mwalimu ni mwalimu na kila kana anekana baimo ciai ociacia na mbui kwiolongi na bai mwalimu nake utatona kusomethia nundu nimekiiwo mutiani mama neagwo college imwe metiani mekio imwe kwa yuyu kila kibo ni mibango ecu yikiwonesa
tusongana mbere na maubo ma kisomo kabindani ka utalo munene wa manyiwa wende na kusioka maskulu ni itina wa uthiumu mukube na yengi mbue yende na ukuse wa isio ni siki bathukani wele mbetani ya ukamba matelepa ni makulu kwithwa metho malelo ni na kwibetanga na kutula miao ni kana kusia mbanga kukiteka malelo ni ukule uwe mwene kivila wangalisia maratu musini wa mwingi kama atu malonza ula weta kana evinda yembanga mbingi ni kusia wakumana na ulelu wa matelepa malelo ni Hosea Kimanzi.
Ainena na vilingi wa movoka mwatu malonza na ulani wa mwene kivilo angalisia maratu musini wa mwingi weta kana mbanga mbingi ni kyotha ukitika muno kavindani kambu wa mbingi ende na ukusiwa na yengi amanyua maende na usioka maskulu kuma udhumu ni mukube aimenda matelepa kwithwa ngunu kavindani kalamewe yani wo na kuikithia ni mati ya mio ya leluni ni kana kuikithia usobi kuo undumwe na wagua
Donya kwa tarisha matalaba nime yini binde ambua ni wiye muno mwingi ko mundu na izibiti lan zio ono gile odi kweza mutaro bandu gyogenziwe na wabandikana eno ndo na ati abe mutaro kweza no eka accident kana kwa batu zuko na odi ukitiyose we na kiwo na go tiyote na kiwo na bia na odi ko no wendo kweza odi bumicho gyokundu kunge kwasa na wete ono zio ko ibinde ya ambua izibiti la tutonya kwezi atutonya mundu atonya ubika akona kindu akonga ma kingi ziona chiachana chiende ochoka zikulu pia na wona ozo kwiwe kwo tutwaenga izibiti la chitonya ka munda kedona tamaye kandi zembi anjoke yangi anabadali wale ochoke a ende jana jabika che imaona agwa kedha baya kizendioneka kono zo kolanga zibiti ndo zibiti mbingi leche chikozi accident zibiti ulebijo leche chikozi accident kono zo ede zibiti mundu wezibiti lezi ona agitia kana katika na agitia mundu kana agitia ng'ombe nonga ndo bate sibiti binya muno accident kwita kona kaundonya kwajo nozi omundu ogwiyedwa mwangalibu kwebinda yena mbwa mbingi
yenge kamwato ayongera na kukulia agwa na mokwithwa mustari ni wambe kuikiria uzobeku na kukuna livoti kavindani kala mateleba mabikia na kutula mia ya lelo ni kana kusiya wazio wa madhayo evindani
nenya agwa ni ngumukulia ando ala tugwa thio nenyo no mwate thesia ondo kwangeleka nyo kona wagwango kweza kwithia onandeleva izibiti no mutabia pia no ngali kwekwa kioni no kona umundu etekeleke ani kioni nakyo ono zio nenyo agwa mutethecha banana kwithia ona zibiti no kona iwo kana ule okandeleva izibiti lanzio kana pia ona mundu nyito kwa no ule uba bala mugwa na ga otethecha withi ano entulwemia kwoni ngumwizo bagwa nenyi mutethecha kola mutonya no twatethea ni chirionze usalama wetho muziwa barabarani
Gerivoti ya vilingu wa movoku wa mzini wa mwingi kiliombunge ni cha mwingi katika undini yake tuwe Hosea Kimanzi.
Tuitanisia na maundu make somo tuthikwa maundu mao utandithia serikali ni akulu ya kusevya mawithi uliko maseo ma kutwaisia utandithia kwanzia sikibabukanio imwe yacio si kuthesia koti wa sindu imwe kuikithia kana ni kwethwa kana ukwatanio kwa ngali ba Kenya ni kwasonga na mbe kindu kila kiusevya mawia maingi na kutwa ukwati wa nthi ya Kenya na mbe kikiuka ibindani la serikali ibitukithitie mutalatala wa National Automotive Policy ula utethesia mwena wa maundu mao seobia wangali na kutwikithia Kenya kwithwa bandu banene ba kutwaisia utandithia na maundu a
The most reliable vehicles coming from the Chinese market, and they've really captured the East African market, and we really appreciate because they play a very key and vital role in ensuring that logistics, essential services, essential goods are adequately distributed around the country. My plea to the national government is let us try and facilitate and bring an enabling environment to such kind of investments in our country, to make sure that we are able to give them a platform that makes them be very competitive across the East African nation. Our business people play a very key role, and we really need to look after them and see how we can, as a nation, be able to support them. One of the key importances of having assembly lines is, one, creating employment. Two, we are also able to plan ourselves in terms of rolling out production, so you are able to mark yourself against the demand of the units in the local market. Three, from a logistics point of view, it is also important when you're importing complete knockdown or semi-knockdown vehicles, you're able to save on freight, able to save on the duty aspect, so you're able to offer competitive prices locally to other business people who want to invest or buy your units. So I really applaud this investment being taken by our investors from Trans-Africa Motors Limited, and we are really behind them and support them in their investments.
We are happy with what we are hearing about the special economic zone. We are hoping that in the near future we'll be a beneficiary. However, at the moment we are happy with the arrangement of CKD importation. Basically, the logistics industry is very robust and it has bounced back. The government can do far much to help in terms of road improvement, lowering of some of the taxes. This will improve uptake of our units as a whole and also improve profit for the logistic players.
Nana musaisia mabwasu na tuninga mwanya tuambo semba uthio mwone mukube na tumo uthio mwone ni tusiogethetie na mabombe yange.
I, Mwai Kibaki, declare that the Constitution shall be the new Constitution of Kenya.
Kilandi yemia ya mitongo ese otundu katiba kaelete na vemia itongo ese ndisio ndekwa vamwe. Veo vathukanu kati wa aki cia mundu na uthasi wa mundu. Weni wisi kivathukanyo ni chau. Mukamba ni mundu mwe muno na ndeto imu wakunikila kwa uliku sithia wasinzu wanie muno. Mundu autaviti okungiliti ovivyeni wevithaniti na usekikana wavito ni matuku wasava mundu su etha kwililite kithimini na akamanya no auteye wia. Na nondo ndamanya ikomasana muyande muthia uwa tuevundise yulu wa mio kilunguni cha usili wina kwa karo wa mutitisa kumilele na ndateka miongo ina sia wiyo va Mutongo TV ngwatanio ya Mukamba.
Andu mawonie ukesela chanda ni chachu chakiko ukailitwa ni maisha ukona ndita yathela
neke yesa isi ndo miongo 3 ila ikangwata neke wa muzungu 38 consequences and the 38th consequence was death.
Tebe nisa ningezo ukete akwa bahati mbaya kwa yedhe yako kwa nisa ningezo ukete naweze neze mbete kwa dilwaba ukwaba kwa thiote akwa na thiote
ukabinyewa ukathiwa ukabinyatangano ukasisya mbe ukalea kuona cheni inde muthenya umwe ukakwata ukusi pengewa siandu mesilile kibindu matona mbe inde mali ya kukongo na muthia kwethi wa cheni na utanu
awethia na mwimba no akwata umwe
na my fresh kana ni miku
very fresh
musenyo ndomu wailombe ya congratulations ndo kukumu
kwa hiyo ndo abete pressure yake na lo sia tukio la ndo atukia musuyo
kilunguni cha vero show kila kikakukia kila wakilisa ili na nataka miongwena sia iya wiyo tukakwete ange wa kukwiki abinya kunenga wikwati wawo kanona weselamu akini no kuma weekend tadhavu vau kakomana na mwene ndetaku wesilile thinane utathimika indi UN ukusi ngumbao atongoi atanithia na atanithia makunite maundu makutumika tengelekanyo alama lile kukongo ukasoma ukatana na kumanakana wina utonyi wa kuvindua na kwa ile thayo waku nundu ikongo kilungu cha vero show ni kila wakeli saa ili na nataka miongwena sia iya wiyo winake Veronica Siombua Wili wa Mutongo TV ngwatanio ya Mukamba
Kena nude na luke necha baito uitwe
Sika no tumeiwanda wakwa evinda ya saka na overtreatment na muisio kwa mwi waku yune tuvingo kemetho na tuilea kulicha meyitu madhinani alama tonya kutuma amwe maitu masya thayu Nature Vital Wellness Center ungu wa Dr. Kitusawa twena otweka muyane una netuvetokethitwe ni serikali kuita tuitumia natural medicine ndawa ila tumasya nthia China kana traditional Chinese medicine Malaysia na India vava ikuthongelia na idhietu ikimea andumiti makatheuche na ende kitumi ni keu wakana wa matuko atano moini wa katatu tuketha tuiitia kikima mboni vau principal guest house na kwa mavombe ange no tuthoke kanone na nyena ito kwisila namba noti mwanza itano mwanza itano kenda noti kana noti mwanza ili mwanza kenda ina kenda ile namba ine 0757-590-590 kana 0727-994-992 nduketi kile chalia kikumisie nundu Nature Vital Wellness Center is your home of total wellness
nukuteleka na witi maelu
Chandu Bright School ni sukulu wina utaalamu wake somo chama tukuwaacha CBC na CBE kuma pre-unit, primary na junior school. Chandu Bright School ni ya mivayonde yani ni ya ibese na A2 na mwana no asome aikoma sukulu kana akasoma ayenuka. Sukulu wa Chandu Bright School wivandovela isikubikika nundu wileloni wa kuma kadhiani kwelekela Kangundo kilomita taili na nusu kuma sokoni wa kadhiani kuma mwaka wangililene 14. Sukulu wa Chandu Bright School ni uandikithitie mausongio maseo viundheni wa mitiani ya KCPE onandheni wa mitiani ya KJSEA ilena twaiwe 2025 mbe wasiana miongwena inakwatie maxi miongo mwanza yulo wa miongo mwanza na ile vala inekwatie mianandheni wa masukulu maseo ma senior schools. ICT lab situ sina tablets yani kila kana science lab situ ni siya kiumunde tena swimming pool na tena munda wa kusomethia siana utaalamu wa nema ya matukua mwiana wa mwana nimbe wa kisomo cha mabuku na nicho tuinaiwanza nzeo na alimumena utuika wa kubundise siana maundu mama dhao kuela inengo na kubundise siana mwikalo musio wa maisha nikana ayuma sukulu ethe mundu wa kutevya kisio na ndhionde nena na Chandu Bright School kwisela nambani inoya simu 0705-234763 Chandu Bright School, Oasis of Excellence.
Muzezani twashoka serikali sia county nisiende kupendwa maundu na kwambia kutumia mwaki uteuthu kwa mawithululuko kana green energy zikayoni sia kuola utumi wa mwaki muthuku. Martin Masege ulani obisa kuma county ni Taita Taveta ya kana Kenya ni kusite maukuno manene ta mafuriko kuoleka kwa ngetha na maundu angi maingi kumana na waliuku wanzebe na yutambi ya kutumia mwaki uteuthu kwa mawithululuko ni utetheseba na kuolanga ukuno wa waliuku wanzebe.
In as much as counties play a big role in that aspect of energy, but the national government has to set the national policy so that we have uniformity all over the country because the resource is the same, especially the main electricity resource from the main grid. But a lot of counties are working on their own mini grids, mainly from renewable energy sources. So there are quite a number of projects that are taking shape within the counties. But now those are being anchored under the county energy plans. So counties are prioritizing renewable energy, especially the counties that are in areas that have a good exposure to sunshine. So that is a key element in that. Then there are counties that are looking at also how can we transition into clean energy. We want to work with entities like KENHA, KERA and KURA to enable us to go towards that direction in terms of are we getting ready with electrical charging stations for those people who are going to move towards that direction. So as counties, it's a key role that we are playing, but we cannot do it alone, as I've mentioned, because of the challenges that we have in terms of resources. So we have to ensure that we have partnerships from development partners, from the national government entities that are charged with some of these roles and responsibilities, and also as counties, because we are the ones who are also on the ground implementing some of these plans and strategies.
As a country, we actually vested with one of the greatest resources that we are within the equator, more so within the tropics, and we have a lot of access to sunlight. And I think this is an area that we can really take advantage of as a country, whereby we are focusing on looking at development of solar energy and taking advantage of solar energy.
The Fossil Fuel Treaty Initiative is a proposed international mechanism to address the main cause of the climate crisis, which is coal, oil, and gas extraction. It's responsible for almost 90% of all carbon emissions in the last decade. And as Africa as a continent, we face a disproportionate impact. We're facing climate breakdown from a crisis that we did not cause. So we see the Fossil Fuel Treaty Initiative as a complementary mechanism to the Paris Agreement to deliver a just transition with economic diversification, technology transfers, and renewable energy deployment that can reach energy access for our continent.
Kiwanzani neno